PlainJains and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do a really quick video of how I pack my orders. Just wanted to show you guys how I do it. As you can already see, I have my envelopes, my bubble wrap envelopes, and my instruction cards. I have my nail file, all the necessary toolkits to apply my press-on nails or stickers, and then I have my labels attached to the little goodie bags that the nail kit goes in. And as you can see, I also write handwritten messages on the back of my thank you cards because it just adds a nice personal touch to it, you know. And I'm going to be filling up these bags with the nail kit, so my customers have a way of applying those lovely press-on nails. And then once I'm done with that, I put it into the package and put it aside. Also, if you see any sticky tabs on the envelopes, that is how I keep track of my customer's name, so I just know that this one belongs to this person until I get further along into the packing process. Yes, I have chicken scratch as handwriting. I used to be a doctor in my past life. Just kidding. So I'm just going to continue filling up these nail kits, and then we'll move forward onto shipping labels. So depending on how I get my orders, it determines how I use my shipping labels or get my shipping labels. Right now I am using Pirate Ship for this process because I am packing some giveaway prizes as well, and that is not through Etsy. But if I was going through Etsy, I would be using their shipping label function. And it's also good to have this weight or this weigher for your packages. If you do go into a small business and you have to ship things off, it's just very convenient to have, because once you weigh it, which I do about once or twice to get it accurate, you have to input that information into the system, so it could be Etsy or Pirate Ship, so they can get the best rates for you as far as shipping cost. And then you want to go ahead and print your labels. And after I've done that, I put those labels to the side and I start to close out my packaging. I do this because when you weigh, you might forget something to put in there, or you might want to take something out and you have to reweigh again. So you definitely want to weigh with the packages open, just in case. And then once you are fine with that, everything that's in there, you just close it out after you get your labels and stuff like that. So here I am just sticking that label on there, as well as a thank you sticky note, a thank you sticker on the back of the packages. And then I'll put it in my little Target bag. And yes, I'm doing that because I have to take my daughter with me, as well as these packages, and I'm not carrying all these by hand so to the post office. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to close these things out. Thank you, girlfriend, for helping me clean up. Yes, she's such a good helper. And I'm going to put that thank you sticker on the back and then put my labels on there. And then one thing I like to mention as well is I like to take pictures of the tracking number to send to my clients if I'm not using the Etsy platform. And the reason why I do that is just so they have extra security of where their package is, as well as for my security as well. And if you are using Etsy or my Shopify, they usually send out that notification to your customers anyway. And so I only do this if I'm using Pirate Ship or if I'm not using Etsy. But if I was using a platform like Etsy or Shopify, they'll definitely send out that notification to your customers and let them know the tracking number or when your item has been shipped. So for some of them, I had to take the pictures of the tracking number to send to the customers, because most of the orders, I believe, were giveaways, as well as I think I have a couple orders that were on Etsy. So it was like half and half. But that is going to go into those Target bags, and after I'm done with this, I'm going to make the trip to the post office and drop them off. Now Etsy, and I do believe Shopify, also has that option as well, where you can set up a date and get these packages picked up, so you don't have to worry about going to the post office. But for me, I just prefer going to the post office, knowing that I physically dropped them off myself, knowing that I literally went to the post office and dropped them off. But you can have that option, have the post office come, or somebody from the post office come and pick up those packages. Like, let's see, you have a bulk order, that's probably something definitely want to look into as well, as far as getting your packages out and shipped off. But other than that, guys, I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for packaging orders with me. I'm about to head out to the post office after this. And thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.